Hello guys, welcome to my Shopify review 2024. As you can see that I have an access to Shopify. I'm going to show you how to use Shopify for e-commerce or for a drop shipping, guys. Okay, but first of all, if you want to get an access to Shopify, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video so that you can able to get started for free using Shopify. Now let's talk about Shopify. So Shopify, this is an e-commerce platform. This is whereby that you can able to create your own store in your own Shopify store. So what you can, when you click here to products, under products, this is whereby that you can able to add your own products. You can also import, if you already have an existing product, you can also import that product here. It's gonna be easy to use. I'm just gonna click here to add a product. Let me show you how you can able to add or to upload your own product here on Shopify. So Shopify is going to give you a title. So on a title, this is whereby that you can able to name the title of your product. For mine is short sleeve t-shirt. You can do all of those things, guys. Okay, because your customers, they have to know what kind of product it is. And also Shopify, they have this description. Okay, you can write a description. You can also use an AI software. You can also use AI tool from Shopify. So what does this AI tool works is that you're gonna just put the keywords there. And then what's going to happen, this AI tool is going to write a description of your product, guys. Okay, when I click here to generate, as you can see, it is fast, this AI tool, to generate a content for the product description. As you can see, this is my description. You can also rewrite it again if you don't like it. I'm just going to keep it, guys. Okay, you can do all of those things. You can also go to media. Under media, this is whereby you can able to upload an image of the product that you are selling on a Shopify store. You can also choose the category, like which product category fit under. There are so many categories on Shopify that they are giving you that you can choose from. As you can see that, guys. Okay, you can just choose any category that you want based on the product that you are selling, guys. Okay, look at this electronic business. There are so many categories there. You can also put the price that you are selling for the product. You can put the price and also compare the price, and also you can also put the cost per item, like how much it's costing you to purchase the product. Maybe on AliExpress, maybe they are cheaper on AliExpress. There it's gonna show you the profit that you're making, also the margin percentage that you'll be getting, guys. Okay, for the inventory, just leave it that default track quality. It is important, just you don't touch anything there under inventory, guys. Okay, you can also put the weight of the product that you are shipping. If you know the kilos, the kg of the product, you can do that, all of those things, guys. As you can see, it is so easy to upload a product here on Shopify, guys. It is so easy. So what you can do here on Shopify, not only you can also upload your own image, so not only you can also upload your own store, you can also go to collections. Okay, you can also create a collection, different pages of a Shopify store. You can also go to inventories. When you click here to customers, you can able to see the customers that you purchased on your Shopify store. You can also import the customers. If you already have existing customers, you can also import them here on Shopify. Okay, you can also go to analytics. So analytics is gonna show you how your store is performing. Like it's gonna show you like the total sales that you got today, and also the traffic sources, and also the conversion rate on your Shopify store. If it's above 3%, meaning that your Shopify store, it is converting very, very well, guys. Okay, you can also go to marketing. So under marketing, you can also send emails, for people that they didn't purchase the products, on the Shopify store. You can send email follow-ups there on the marketing. So it is so easy, it is so easy to do this. You can also check the top selling products of your Shopify. So as I said, under marketing, you can also send email follow-ups, guys. For people who abandon the checkout, you can also send email follow-ups so that those people, they're gonna come back and purchase the products that you are selling here on Shopify, guys. Okay, and also you can also offer some discounts. What I like about discount is that they're increasing the sales of your Shopify store. You can or maybe offer 10% discount, 15% discount, 20% discounts, especially on holidays. You can also go to online store. So on the online store, these are Shopify that's going to give you done for you themes or done for you stores that you can just install them right away in your Shopify store, guys. Okay, based on your niche. Let's say that you are in clothing niche, you want to sell t-shirts, you want to sell caps. You can also just take a look at these done for you Shopify store that Shopify is giving you to try them out, guys. As you can see, based on your niche, guys, you can choose the one. If you're in a healthcare niche, you can see there are so many done for you themes here that you can just import them right away on your Shopify store. As you can see, you can also change these colors. Okay, you can also change the prices of these stores. I mean, you can also change the prices, yeah, and put the prices that you want. You can also change this currency, maybe into dollars, maybe into the currency that you want to sell the store. These are Canadian dollars. You can change all of these things. You can do some customization, change the images, change the logos here, put your own logos here, guys. It is so easy to use these Shopify stores, guys. Okay, as you can see that if you scroll down, you can change all of these customization here, put them on your own. Let's talk about the pricing plans, guys. Okay, when you click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, it's gonna take you to this page. This is where that you can able to use Shopify for 1 month only for $1, guys. Okay, and then let's talk about these pricing plans here. So Shopify offers 4 different pricing plans. Okay, if you pay on a yearly basis, you can save up to 25% off. The one that I recommend is the most popular one, guys, is $19 per month. $19 per month. Okay, so this is the one that I'm using for solo entrepreneurs. And also there's this one, Shopify plan. Okay, it's gonna be $49 per month. Okay, with this plan you can have 3 additional accounts on Shopify. So yeah, no, it's 5 additional Shopify accounts, guys. Okay, for this one. And also there's this one for if you're a business, if you're running a business, you can also use this advanced plan. It's gonna be $300 per month. Okay, with this one you can have 15 additional staff accounts on Shopify, guys. Click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to get an access to Shopify free trial, guys. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below in the comment sections. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible. Take care and may God bless you. Good luck. Sharp, guys.